So hopefully I'm recording. Just wanted to do a super quick video on how to use the snippet tool feature and how to add it to your toolbar. So if you see down below, there's these little scissors in a circle. That's called the snippet tool. It allows you to basically take a screenshot of your computer without having to use a phone or anything like that. Then you don't have to email it to your computer. Download it, all that kind of stuff. If you take a screenshot, it'll just be on your computer. So this tool, first of all, is located. Tell you what, let me get rid of it, and I'll show you actually how to add it. So get rid of that. So I'm going to get rid of the whole thing, so you see it's not there. So unpin from taskbar. So it's not there, right? So here's how you get to it. Go to your little start menu in the lower left, this little 4 squares thing, Microsoft Windows Start. Then you scroll all the way down. So it takes a second to find the bar. There you go, there's the bar. Scroll all the way down to Windows Accessories. This only works, by the way, for a computer using Windows. So if you use a Mac or iPad or any of that kind of stuff, Macintosh, iPad, they won't have this. They probably have something similar, but I don't know how to use that. So Windows Accessories, click on that, and then you'll have to scroll down a little bit. Where's the bar? Hard to find the bar sometimes. There we go. So scroll down a little bit, and there you go. Snipping tool, scissors, little circle. So now you could just click on it there, and it would open the app up, and you could use it. I'm going to add it back into my like my quick launch bar or whatever it's called down there. So if I believe if I just left click on it and hold the left click down, then I can just drag it. Yeah, you just drag it straight down to your bar, and it just creates a link to that application on your toolbar. So if you let it go, there it is. It's added in. I think there are other ways to add it, like right clicking on it, and then it will add it either into your startup menu applications, or you can add it to your menu bar down here doing it that way. But if you just left click on it and drag it down, that works easier than anything. So now as far as using it goes, so let me get out of that. So now let's say I want to take a screenshot of anything. Like if you want to know your calendar for the week or something, or what's due, or let's say I'm working a word problem out. So I'll go back to this and go to, do I have the other? Let's say I'm working a word problem out that we did. I'll go to some we did a while ago. There we go. So here's a word problem. Let's say I solve it all out and you want to take a real quick screenshot of it instead of taking a picture of it so that you can see it on your computer. Or if you do your homework on your computer somehow and you want to take a screenshot, all you do is you click on that now that it's on your toolbar, hit new. There's some different modes. I wouldn't worry about those unless you want to play around with it. I like the way it's set up when it first gets installed. Hit new. Now, if you see my screen just kind of changed colors, you do need to make sure that you can see clearly what you're going to take a screenshot of, because this box could get in the way. Also, if you'll notice, everything on my screen that was there before, like all of these little slides, all of this stuff, it's still there. And if I took a screenshot of my whole screen, those things would be in the screenshot. So there, I just took a screenshot of everything now. So if you'll notice, I took a screenshot of that too. It doesn't disappear. Whatever you see on your screen is pretty much going to be a screenshot. So let's say that's not what I wanted. So I'm going to click on new to redo it. I just wanted this one word problem, we'll say. Well, I need to just take a screenshot or a snippet of that one word problem. Now that's all I get. If I want to save it in my computer, I just hit save. I could also copy it and put it in like a Word document. So maybe for other classes that might be helpful. But if I say save snippet, it gives me the option to save it somewhere on my computer. You pick whatever location you want on your computer, and then there you go. It's saved off. You got a screenshot. You can email that to me for my homework. Although most of the time you're not really doing your homework on your computer, you're writing it on paper and taking a picture, so probably won't work for me. But if you wanted to take a picture of something I did so that you can have it for later on your laptop, not on your phone, then you could do it that way. Oh, and then you would have to name it and save it. I'm not going to do that though. If you have any questions on it, shoot me a message, ask me during class. That works too.